Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I will talk about the CPA marketing. I'll be telling you which offer to promote, where to promote and how to promote. Okay, watch the video till the end. I'll be explaining you each and everything. Alright, it will be a cheap paid traffic which no one is talking about. Okay, if you have a Max Bounty account, CPA Grip account or CPA Lead account, all are great accounts. A lot of people, they don't have Max Bounty account, so it does not matter at all. You only need one account to make money online. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the Max Bounty account. I have just logged into this account. See, when you come here, click over here, trending. The best part of Max Bounty account is they will tell you beforehand which offer are trending and which are converting very well. See, inbox dollar, this is the offer. Sign up and earn rewards, cash kick, this is the offer. Survey junkie, survey voices. See, these are all the offers which are converting very well. Okay, either you can promote these offers or you can promote the gift card offers which also converts very well. I have, to save time, I have selected few gift cards offers. See, on Max Bounty, see, you need to promote this offer. This offer is converting very well. I have been noticing this offer is converting very well on Max Bounty. It is known as $50 Wendy's gift card. Okay, see, it's like a question answer offer. Do you eat at Wendy's? You need to click yes. I mean, customer needs to click yes. Okay, after 3 clicks, they will just sign up with the email address and you will get paid 2.40 per lead. It is the best converting offer. It's very simple, and a lot of time people, they promote the offer and the customer also put the email address, but they don't get updated or they don't get paid. So I have selected those offers which you will get definitely payment for that, and it will reflect on your dashboard also. So this is the offer Wendy's gift card, $50 Wendy's gift card, and this is the offer Target gift card. All right, this does not have a daily cap at all. Sky is the limit. If you can get it for 100 customers, I mean, if 100 customers sign or 1000 customer signs, you will be getting paid here on Max Bounty. Okay, so the third offer is free chip sample. It's a single opt-in. Okay, offer converts on completed first page form. That's it. Only the customer has to fill the first page form. All right, so these are all the offers which you need to promote from Max Bounty. If you have a CPA Grip account, just try to promote the high EPC offers. So what we will do, we will just click over here contextual and click over here raw. We'll get our affiliate link. I mean, this will be the tracking link. We'll just click over here. Now we need to promote this to get traffic. See, understand, CPA marketing is all about the number games. Remember one thing, don't go for every time for free. If you go every time for free, nothing is going to work at all, and you will be end up paying, you will be end up giving up everything at all. You will not be able to get leads at all. Try to focus more on paid ads. Save some money. If you do not have money, then save some money. Okay, see, this is the number one traffic source is evadave.com. See, this is the website evadave.com. Try to run campaign on this website evadave.com. See, these have push notification pop under in page native ads. Okay, try to promote the offer on this website. Okay, it's a very simple campaign setup. Okay, you don't need any technical knowledge. All right, see, this website receives 2 billion impression every day. Okay, you don't need any technical knowledge. It's better than Facebook, Google or Bing ads. Try to promote ads on this website evadave.com. No one is taking advantage of this website. Try to promote your CPA offer on this website. It's very simple, and if you get stuck, you're always welcome to message me on Instagram. I will help you. See, it's like just putting your affiliate link and just selecting USA country, mobile device like this. You will be easily able to do it by your own. All right, number one website is evadave.com. Second is rollerads.com. Lot of affiliate marketers are taking advantage of roller ads. It's one of the best, cheapest traffic source if you want to promote CPA offers. CPA, as I said, CPA offers, it's all about number games. Remember one thing, the more traffic you will send 24/7, the more chances of getting conversion. Imagine if you send 2000 people, and out of 2000 people, 100 people converts, and you are getting paid $2. $2. So easily you can get paid $200 per day. All right, this is the power of CPA marketing. Okay, save some money. If you do not have, save some money. Try to focus on one traffic source. I am not saying to spend money on every traffic source. Try to focus on one traffic source. See, roller ads, this is for CPA offers. Okay, do not run cost per sale offer on this. This is for CPA offers. Just click over here, launch a campaign, and just start running campaign. That's it. Just run a campaign for 2 to 3 days. Always promote high converting offers. If you don't know what are high converting offers, chat with the affiliate network, ask them what are all the high converting offers I want to promote them. They will give you the list and try to promote those offers. See, roller ads, see, 100% real traffic, no bot traffic at all, very low cost. In $0.001 you will be getting one person. Okay, so sky is the limit. Just send 5,000 people, 2,000 people, 3,000 people, and let the money rolling. No one is consistent and no one is running at all. Everyone wants a quick rich scheme. So how they will get result? Okay, everyone is going for free traffic, and if they are promoting in paid traffic, they will just run for 1 or 2 days. Then they just give up if they don't receive results. See, it's not a one-day game. You need to be consistent. If you stay consistent for a week or 10 days, definitely you will start getting good result. All right. And the third website is the free website. It is known as adpost.com. This is the website, adpost.com. Okay, it's a free website. On this website, you can promote the ads on United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia. Okay, your offer can be seen in these countries. All right, it's a free classified sites, adpost.com. If you do not have the budget, you can just promote your offers on this website. Okay, and you don't need to go to 10 different websites to promote your offers in tier 1 country. From here only you can promote it to United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, as I said. Okay, these are all best countries. Just select 5 and try to promote. If you target Australia, no one is promoting in Australia, that will be very good. But I would highly recommend you to go for paid traffic, Everdave and roller ads. Just focus on these two and forget about everything and stay consistent for a week. Promote high converting offers. All right. And if you want, I should show everything practically, then I have a step-by-step premium CPA marketing training. Link is in the description. Just focus on my training course and stay consistent. Full lifetime support will be provided to you. Okay. See, if you don't give up, definitely you will make it. If you have a positive mindset that it's not over until I win, then definitely it's not a rocket science at all. Just promote high converting offer and run campaign on these websites. Just master any 1 or 2 traffic source. Are you getting my point? Okay, so if you want step-by-step training, link is in the description. And if you need any help, message me on Instagram. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.